Hi everyone, I'm Karen. I'll be your guide to this wonderful planet we all live on. I live in Louisiana. Um, I have a husband. I've got 2 dogs, 3 cats. They all keep me very busy. But more than that, I'm pretty much glued to my computer because I teach for 3 different schools. And I just love planet Earth. Anything pertaining to planet Earth, I'm interested in. But historical geology is really entertaining because of how many different things have changed over the years. There's so much going on. Planet Earth has been around for 4.5 billion years. That's a really, really long time. It had to form somehow, it had to get inhabited somehow, and things have changed so many times over literally billions of years. So we're going to learn a whole lot more about this. I am available for all kinds of questions, whatever you may have. And you can get to me by phone during the day or email or whatever other messaging varieties you might have out there. I'm fairly flexible, but I'm always easy to reach and ready to answer questions, whatever you might be able to throw at me. So welcome to the class.